Welcome everyone. We are interested in drawing the Lewis dot structure of NO2 minus, which is known as the nitrite ion. Now, in order to draw the Lewis dot structure, we need to find out the valence electrons of the different atoms present in this molecule, and we're going to find out the valence electrons by by writing the electronic configuration. So the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Its valence shell is the second shell, okay, the second shell, having 5 valence electrons, because valence electrons are those electrons which are present in the valence shell, and here our valence shell is the second shell having 2 plus 3, 5 valence electrons. Okay, and here is the orbital diagram. See, here are 3 unpaired electrons, 3 UE, 3 unpaired electrons, which means that nitrogen will make 3 covalent or single bonds, 3 covalent bonds. Now, and the number of valence electrons are the 5 VE, 5 valence electrons, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, talking about the electronic configuration of oxygen, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. I've drawn the orbital diagrams for 2s and 2p. Now, there are 2 electrons in the 2s subshell, whereas 4 electrons in the, this is 4 electrons in the 2p subshell, having 2 unpaired electrons, 2 UE, which means oxygen will make 2 single bonds, 2 covalent single bonds, whereas it is having 6 valence electrons, 6 VE, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 3, 5 valence electrons for nitrogen. Now, for O minus, what will be the case for O minus? Now, negative charge O minus means that you have gained an extra electron, which will make its electronic configuration as 2p5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, and here an extra electron will be added, which will make its number of unpaired electrons as 1 unpaired electron, and the number of valence electrons 2 plus 5, 7 VE for O minus. Okay, I'm talking about presently for O minus. Okay, 2 plus 5, 7. So nitrogen will make 3 bonds, oxygen will make 2 bonds, and O minus will make just a single bond. Okay, oxygen will make 2 bonds. Now let's begin with the structural part. Now we have our central atom as nitrogen, having 5 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 2 oxygen atoms, and one of them is having a negative charge, which means this will make a single bond, just a single bond, whereas this oxygen will make 2 bonds. Now O minus had 7 valence electrons, whereas oxygen had 6 valence electrons. 1 unpaired electron, which means a single bond, whereas oxygen had 2 UE, 2 unpaired electrons, which means 2 bonds. So oxygen and O minus, having 7 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whereas for oxygen it is having 6 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and nitrogen had 5 valence electrons. Right, now we'll be drawing the bonds now. So oxygen makes 2 bonds, okay, because it had 2 unpaired electrons. O minus will make just a single bond because it had just a single unpaired electron. Now let's count the number of valence electrons after bond formation. For oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it has completed its octet and is now stable. Talking about O minus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it has also gained or completed its octet and is now stable. Talking about nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nitrogen has also completed its octet and is now stable, but it has a extra lone pair. So remember that in NO2 minus, nitrogen will be having a single lone pair with itself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.